Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Bailijin Among Mortals, chapter 204. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Sinbui's parents. Seems that there's a visitor. Sister, you are so polite. He is fine. He will be discharged from the hospital in a few days and we will come here too specially. I shouldn't come to see Laosin, shouldn't it be? Turns out it was the sister, her mother. But right now, her sister said yes. Well, looking at these two sisters, seems that Sinbui's mother is a little sister. And now, so fast, congratulations. I'm going to be a grandmother next year. Now, Sin, if you don't doubt it, you have to hurry up. Oh, this is bad. Marriage has been talking again. And of course, Sinbui. She is the topic again. Her father said no doubt that she is busy with his work. And now, the children have their own ideas. We can control it. Sinbui's father said to her. But of course, older sister said, Lao Sin, you call it back. You can care if you tied her your own side. Well, that's a bad point. His older sister is really getting cruel, especially on Sinbui's condition. On the other hand, on Sinbui's house, she already came back on the city. Well, let's see. What will her reaction or her mother scold her? Sissy, I have taken a shower and now I am on the bed. Sissy said to her, you can rest early. Now, looking at Sinbui, she was happily texting with Sissy. But right now, Sinbui said, I don't want to rest. You can cook me first and then she will rest. Oh, this girl, she really want to act baby. That's why she really want to coax her. Well, let's see. Sissy this time. Even though Sissy, she seems to be busy on studying. Looking at her, she was texting with her and also working. Well, what a hardworking she is. Right now, Sinbui said, I don't want to rest. You can cook me first and then rest. Sissy said, how to cook? Sissy, I will answer my mother's phones first. Turns out, her mother is calling her. Right now, hey mom, auntie just saw your dad and brought fruit and healthcare products. Don't give daddy supplements. The liver is not good at first. Eat the reverse. Got it. By the way, Sinsin is pregnant. Right now, anyway, there's urge to find a partner quickly. It was for her again. Sinbui said to her mother, of course, right now, she really know that she will be the topic again. That's why her mother is calling her. Inform her. The elders and aunties is urging her. There was no doubt, no matter what her relationship with Sissy, Xiaozi is. Now, she suddenly get forced. Of course, she know that her mother will talk about this. Don't tell others, especially aunt and the others. If other ask about this, you just say that you haven't met suitable boy for the time being. But right now, Sinbui, she was suddenly forced. Mom, you can ask Sissy to do this, but I can do it. Since childhood, who chased me. So it means that Sinbui, she don't want to hide her feelings. Really like someone, I don't want to hide. Oh, of course. Well, technically, I really don't want Sissy to be hidden, especially she really loves her. Now, back to Muxi and xiaojin. Muxi, she was really on the top floor. Muxi said to her, thinking about how to punish you. Muxi said to xiaojin, she mean that she was really get jealous. Why? Do you want to punish me? Xiaojin is asking her. That Muxi see them. That's why right now she will get punished because of that. Well, Muxi, she was really jealous, right? That's why she really want to punish Xiaojin. And now she was looking at her and she doesn't know that. Well, technically, Muxi said, if Xiaojin doesn't understand, well, Xiaojin, she really don't understand what's happening to her. That's why she was asking her. Of course, she really gets jealous, that's why she really want to punish xiaojin. Suddenly, she took off xiaojin's clothes. Well, this is to punish her. For talking and seeing Sister Baiwa, right? That's why Muxi, sometimes she become possessive towards her. Muxi said, I just punish you until you want to understand, right? Well, this is the reason. That's why she want to punish her. Also, till now xiaojin, she didn't really get it. Xiaojin stepped back and she was calling Muxi. But Muxi, of course, she won't really back down. She pressed her forward until, finally, xiaojin, she fall on the couch. Now, she already got pinned down. Looking at herself now, xiaojin, she was really sweating. She don't know what Muxi is thinking about. Xiaojin, right now, she's bottom right. Well, let's see. What is the progress of Muxi? Can she really handle her well? Of course, well, you can really wait to see this, but right now, Xiaojin said to her, Muxi, you seems to be a little different from the usual right now. Well, since this girl doesn't know everything, of course, she seems to be worried about her. But it doesn't matter to Muxi. Right now, all she can think is to punish Xiaojin. Suddenly move closer and step across on her. Well, what a good punishment that she will receive. Right now, Muxi said to her, is that right? Does Xiaojin like me now? Oh, right now. She really want to try to be cox. That's why she really want to punish her. Xiaojin, of course, said to her that she really liked it. Well, she really liked Muxi. She become possessive, right? Although Xiaojin, she was looking at her. She moved closer to her. Now she's going to kiss Muxi. Well, Xiaojin, she must be puzzled, but, of course, since she really loved Muxi, she will accept everything from her, especially right now. Suddenly, she got puzzled. Muxi is trying to hide her lips. Muxi is blushing, and also Xiaojin. The two of them still holding each other. Well, it was really overwhelming. But Xiaojin, she is the one in the bottom. Right now, Muxi, she really get close to her. Well, Muxi definitely, Muxi, she don't want to hide anything, especially her feelings toward Xiaojin. And right now, this is the result. But now, I don't want to hide. She will do anything that she wants starts from now. She become really possessive over her. I said to her, including my own desires. Oh, that was really good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!